Okay, so I've been using spines. I've been using the editor for proofreading and all of that, and it does not handle italics well. So let me show you what happens. And I think it happens mainly because when I use the grammar, everything becomes highlighted, right? Everything becomes highlighted. You use it like, oh, here's all the grammar issues that you might want to look into. Okay, that's fine. Now, let's say that I want to add a space here because for whatever reason, as it imported the italics into, like the text or the manuscript into the website, into the software, for whatever reason, this keeps happening, where italics next to non-italics, there's no space bar. Like the space is gone. You can see it here as well, right? It just doesn't work. I don't know why. So I have to add it manually, which is fine, except when I do that, it fucks everything up. Like, do you see this? Do you see this? The EM here? Like, what? It keeps adding this shit, and it added it here too, right? Like, it just fucks everything up. Fucks everything up. And I have to go through this and sort through it myself. And the most annoying thing that in order to fix that, let's say Control Z, right? So I'm gonna undo. I'm like, okay, maybe it's because maybe this happens because I have the grammar open for whatever reason that it causes that, right? Undo, if it actually fucking fixes that, or maybe it can fix it. Yeah, it can't even fix that, right? It's just fucking, it's so broken. It's so broken. The italics just don't work right. I don't know what the problem is. Okay, there you go. Now we're back here. It's like, okay, maybe it's the grammar thing. Let me close the grammar thing. Now the problem with closing grammar is that at first all the highlights disappear, so it looks clean. But then they reappear. Oh shit, they all reappeared. Oh, and why is that annoying? Because if I want to edit this word, well, I have to either delete it or just fuck me, I guess, right? I can't do anything with it. I can click it, but nothing happens because the grammar is closed, right? So they're all highlighted. And if I want to edit this word, for example, no one, right? If I wanted to delete the dash here, the hyphen, I can't do it. I can't do it. Like this text is just inaccessible because of this. So what I have to do in order to remove the highlight is go back into grammar again and then back out of it. And then wait for a bit for things to realize, and now it works. You see, now it's gone. So I have to go into grammar, then back out into grammar just to get rid of the highlights for whatever reason. And now I'm going to try and do spacebar again. And now maybe it won't add the weird EM shit. And why do I have to do all of that just to add a fucking spacebar? Like, do you see how broken this is? I hope it comes well in the video because it's just so frustrating to deal with this. Anyway, so I'm making another video just to see that I'm not crazy, okay? Because I think I'm going crazy. Okay, so I'm adding, right, like, so this shouldn't be this way, right? There should be like a space here and there should be a space there. Now, the spaces exist in my original manuscript. For whatever reason, when this page loads here, those spaces go away, and everything that is italic is then just like gets, just like, you know, just connected with the non-italic stuff. Okay, well, now let's say for a second that I finished editing for today because, you know, this is a long manuscript, right? I can't edit it all in one day. It takes like 20 hours to edit all of that, maybe even more. So I'm gonna call it for today, right? And I'm come back to it later, you know, and another day comes around and I'm loading the manuscript again. Yeah, let's there's no there's no header, there's no way to, like, there's no whatchamacallit, like, I can flip through the chapters through some sort of, you know, hot link or anything like that. What I have to do if I want to get back to the chapter that I was editing is go chapter 7 and do find, and that's the only way for me to get to the chapter where I was last time that I edited this thing, which is unfortunate, but that's how it is. And look at that, all the space bars that I did. You know, some of them remained, but some of them are gone. Because every time that I load this manuscript, every time that I load it, it does it again. I don't know why it does that, and I don't know if that will be in the end product, because this, just to be clear, right? This cannot be at the end product. It cannot be at the end product. My book cannot look like this, right? It cannot have all of its italics just like not spaced out from the dialogue tags and the thought, like it just can't work. And another thing that I found out, let's see if I find it again. I might not find it again, but was it here? I don't remember, but when I looked back into some of the other italics, I noticed some of them have like the same weird EM. There you go. There it is. This shit. I missed that. Who knows how many of these exist in my manuscript now because of this, right? Who knows how many EMs like that are gonna make it into my book? I don't know. I don't know if you can see this. Maybe I need to. All right.